Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show how to install and add Git Bash on Windows 11 step by step. So watch the full video carefully until the end and follow along. First, open Chrome browser and go to the Google. Now type Git Bash for Windows in the search bar and hit enter. You will see several results. Select this option and open it. Click on the first link, which is official Git for Windows website. My system is 64-bit, so I will click on the Git for Windows 64-bit setup option. Now click on it. Select the folder where you want to save it, the downloaded file. Then click save and wait for the download to complete. Once download is complete, open the file location. Now right click on the setup file and choose the run as an administrator. Okay, if prompted, click on yes, allow to the installation to start. Click on next. You can read the terms and condition if you want. Again click on next. Don't change any setting, just click on next for every steps. Keep clicking next until the install button appears. Now click install and wait for the installation to complete. Once done, click on finish to close setup windows. Now let's open Git Bash from the start menu. Type pwd command and hit enter button. That's it, your Git Bash is successfully installed on Windows 11. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you.